how to change payment method on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look out on how we can change our payment method on Amazon just by following some steps. So before getting started, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe option, and let's begin. So first thing first, you need to follow some steps in order to do that. So first thing first, open your Amazon account. After opening your account, you need to select your payments. So to add a payment method, select add a payment method link under the category that you want to add. And to edit or remove a payment method, select the card that you wish to edit on the left side of the page. The card opens in the center of the page, select edit. The card opens in the center of the page, select edit under the card name, and you can update your billing address. Select the default card, update card details, and remove the card from your account. Select remove from wallet to remove the card from your account, and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, the card issuers may provide Amazon with updated payment card details when you issuing card, and just like that, you can change your payment method on Amazon by just following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.